This is how to cast your Mac screen to your Android TV. And I'm going to show you two methods. The first is one which will definitely work for you, and the second may or may not, but it's worth a try. So before we start, a few prerequisites. First, your TV must have Chromecast. So if it's an Android TV, then it will have it built in. But if it's just a smart TV, you have to ensure that Chromecast is there. Once that is done, you have to ensure your TV and Mac are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. And the third prerequisite is you need to have Google Chrome on your Mac. So once that's done, then first open Google Chrome. Then once you're here, click on the three dots which are on the top right. Here click on Cast, Save and Share. It's this option. And you'll find an option on top called Cast. Just click on this. And now it'll search for nearby devices. As you can see, my TV has come. It's called Living Room TV. And here we have two options. If you only want to share a tab in Chrome or share your entire screen. So if you click on Sources, that's here, there's an option to share your entire screen. So select Cast Screen. And now just select the TV name that's on top. Then over here click on Entire Screen. And then click on Share if you want to share. So one thing to note, that you may have gotten a pop-up to give Google Chrome permission to record your screen. So you'll have to give permission for that. And then click on Share. And as you can see, my Mac screen has come on my Android TV. And this isn't only for Chrome. If I close this, as you can see, my entire screen has come here. And whichever app I open, it's all going to show up on my TV. So this was the first method, which will definitely work for you if you have Chromecast on your TV. And now if you want to stop sharing, on top you'll see this option, click on it, and just click on Stop. So this was the first method that will definitely work for you if you have Chromecast in your TV. And now the second method is the official Apple method, which is using AirPlay. So for that, you have to ensure your Android TV has AirPlay, and if it doesn't, it won't work. But it's worth a try. So on your Mac, just click on the control center that's here. Then select this option that's for screen mirroring. So honestly, this doesn't work for me. As you can see, my TV isn't coming here. But if it works for you, then you can use this method. So this was the second method, which may or may not work. But the first method, that's using Google Chrome, should most definitely work. So this is how it works. And if you want to know how to transfer files from your Android phone to your Mac, you can check out this video. Goodbye.